This is our elementary school here in Chengdu, China, QSI International School of Chengdu. And if you look over to the right, you'll also see that there's construction going on, and then over to the right of that building is the high school. When I first moved to Chengdu, China from the small town of Lexington, Ohio, I had no idea what AQI meant. I had never once felt the need to wear a face mask or check a scale showing the quality of air that I was breathing. However, here in Chengdu, air pollution seems to be the topic of discussion every day. Instead of the question, what is the weather, the question is, what is the AQI? And just so you know, even in the front lobby, every day the AQI is posted. Today was a horrible, horrible day, up to 249. The kids weren't able to go outside at all today. The U.S. consulate in Chengdu states that pollutants are linked to a number of significant health effects, and those effects are likely to be more severe for sensitive populations, including people with heart or lung disease, children, and older adults. The New York Times, in an article entitled "China Air Quality Study Has Good News and Bad News," stated that a team of researchers conducted a study of 5 major cities in China over a period of 3 years. They found that Chengdu, along with Shenyang, had about 60% good or light pollution days, which means that 40% of the days were bad pollution days. According to the article, Beijing and Chengdu suffered the most prolonged spells of heavy pollution. One of the researchers mentioned Chengdu's location as part of the problem, since its physical location is like a trap for pollutants. A third source, Thomas Talhelm, the founder of Smart Air, stated that Chengdu's PM 2.5, that's short for the fine particulate matter that is especially hazardous to health, is now as bad as Beijing. He also mentions that the data shows Chengdu's air pollution has been dangerous for at least 4 years, but awareness has just started catching up. According to the school website and handbook, providing a safe and healthy learning environment for our students, staff, and families is a top priority. The policy includes several measures. First, classrooms are equipped with modern and reliable air filtration systems. Second, strict precautionary measures are in place to safeguard students from the dangers of engaging in physical activities outdoors on days when air quality is poor. This includes strict daily monitoring of AQI, or Air Quality Index levels, which are reported by the U.S. consulate in Chengdu. Special attention is given to these levels at 3 different times during the day: 10 a.m. before recess, 12 p.m. before lunch recess, and 3 p.m. before school sports. If the AQI is above 250, no one goes outside. If the AQI is below 250 but above 150, students are allowed to go outside during the first recess. If the AQI is below 150, students may play outside during both recesses. Homeroom teachers must turn on air purifiers and close windows anytime the AQI is above 150. Teachers on recess duty must pay close attention to the daily email that is sent out before recess in order to be ready to shepherd students to outdoor recess or indoor recess. Failure to do so causes confusion in the ranks of teachers and students. I'm doing a project. Usually on morning recesses, it is an outdoor recess. Kids are in the NPR. They are also in a smaller area. There's Miss Ada, who's on duty today. If you look over here, this is the preschool play space. The older kids' outdoor area. They're always happy to get to be outdoors. And it looks like they're allowed to go over in this space, although they can't go in the basketball courts today.